Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you a Holo taco manicure. Now I don't know about you guys, but my social media has been taken over for the last few weeks by this nail polish Holo taco. And oh my god, I want it. Shout out to Christine at Simply Nailogical. Your product looks amazing, but this girl is too cheap to spend $20 on shipping to get your great nail polish all the way to Australia. So, in lieu of being able to use actual Holo taco, I'm going to do my own manicure called Holo taco, where I use very cheap products and hopefully end up with decent looking nails. So let's get started. To do this manicure, I'm going to start with this black nail polish. I think I stole this from my sister, so I'm going to count that as $0. I'm going to use this Holo nail polish that I found at the local pharmacy. This cost a grand total of $2, so this is going to be a bargain basement manicure, that's for sure. So let's get painting. Now, if this was a proper manicure, I guess I would actually cut my nails and file them and blah blah blah, but I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to paint them as is. And we're off to a good start. I've already got some black on my skin. But anyway, let's keep going. That one was a disaster, clumpy mess. I think this is what happens when you use crappy quality nail polish, but oh well, you get what you pay for. And that's one hand crappily painted with black. So now it's on to lefty, I mean righty, but that means I have to use lefty, which is not good news. Also, I think there's not much nail polish in here, so that's not helping. Whoops, too much. Disaster. Nice. That is done. Now I just need to dry them. Now that these are dry, I can tell that I've done a really crappy job, but I'm gonna keep going regardless because that's the kind of person I am. Now we're on to the fun part, the holo part. And it's not even really hollow, it's more rainbow. Really have to coax the glittery pieces to actually go down onto my nail, but it kind of works. I'll just put the excess of this one over onto the next one. No problem. I can tell this is going on super thick, so this might take a while to dry, but it's all good, it's all good. As long as I'm glittery. Like my technique of blobbing it on. I think it's really professional and definitely what real manicurists do. Real nail technicians. That's nice. I even got a little bit of glitter on my skin. Okay. Here we go, Lefty, your turn. I don't know if you guys can see, but that one's so thick. But I had to do it that thick to get that many glitters on it, so that's just how it is. Okay, now we dry. Now that it's finally dried, let's go to the reveal. end, I think the name Holo taco makes a lot of sense because there is no depth to the quality. And that's all there is for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a big like. And if you'd like to watch more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you have an idea of something you'd like to see me make a video about, chuck something in the comments. I'll read it and maybe you'll get lucky. So until next time, see ya!